Want to multiply any two-digit number by 11 instantly? No calculator needed. Watch this. Let's try 23 times 11. Here's the trick. Split the digits. We have 2 and 3. Now add them together. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Write the first digit, then the sum, then the last digit. 2, 5, 3. The answer is 253. Here's the rule. First, write down the first digit. Second, add both digits together for the middle number. Third, write down the last digit. That's it. Let's try 67 times 11. Split it, 6 and 7. Add them. 6 plus 7 equals 13. Wait, that's 2 digits. No problem. The 3 goes in the middle and we carry the 1. So we get 6 plus the carried 1 makes 7, then 3, then 7. 737. Now you try. What's 42 times 11? Take 5 seconds and figure it out. The answer is 462. Did you get it? This trick works for any two-digit number times 11. Try it with your friends and blow their minds. Like this video and follow for more amazing math tricks. See you next time.